Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Many of you wonder, can you really change the fans on your AIO liquid cooler? The answer is a definitive yes. This popular modification is not only possible, but also highly recommended for a variety of reasons. By swapping out your stock fans, you can achieve better cooling performance for your CPU, enjoy a much quieter system, or even enhance your PC's visual appeal with vibrant RGB. It's a straightforward process that offers significant benefits to your overall computing experience. So why bother upgrading your AIO fans in the first place? One primary reason is enhanced cooling. Aftermarket fans, especially those designed for radiators, often provide superior airflow and static pressure, leading to lower CPU temperatures. Beyond performance, you'll likely notice a dramatic reduction in noise, as stock fans can sometimes be quite loud. Plus, it's a fantastic way to personalize your build, adding eye-catching RGB lighting or a sleek, unified aesthetic to your gaming rig. When selecting new fans, compatibility is key. Your AIO radiator will usually require either 120mm or 140mm fans, so measure carefully. For optimal cooling through the dense fins of a radiator, look for fans with high static pressure ratings, not just high airflow. Also, consider models with PWM, or pulse width modulation, which allows your motherboard to precisely control fan speed, giving you the perfect balance of performance and quiet operation when you need it most. Swapping out your AIO fans is a pretty simple DIY task that most PC builders can handle. First, power down your computer and disconnect it from the wall. You'll then carefully unscrew the existing fans from your radiator, remembering to unplug their cables. Next, align your new fans, paying close attention to the airflow arrows you typically want air pushing through the radiator. Secure them with screws and finally, connect their power and any RGB cables to your motherboard or controller. It's that easy. Before you button everything up, here are a few pro tips. Always confirm the direction your new fans are pushing air. Incorrect orientation can seriously hinder cooling performance. Good cable management isn't just for aesthetics. It also ensures unobstructed airflow within your case. Once everything is reconnected, power up your PC and run some stress tests, checking your CPU temperatures to ensure your new fans are performing optimally. Enjoy the benefits of your upgraded AIO, bringing a fresh look and improved cooling to your system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.